Hey folks, wanted to show a quick demo of a bot I have that is able to talk to a bunch of different services based off of just their OpenAPI specs, which is basically Swagger. So let's just dive in. So first up, I'm going to ask for news. So what's the latest on Starship launch? So pay attention to the logs over here. So in this case, it's using a plugin which is able to get latest news. And to make this work, all I had to provide was a Swagger file, like I said earlier. So it's doing a search for Starship launch based off of the keyword I gave, and then it came back with the data. And it, like I said, it used a news plugin. All right, so this works. Let's try something new. So let's search for, tell me about some cool places to visit in Seattle. So now it's going to use a different plugin. In this case, it's using web search, which is through a different plugin that I have. And it figured out that the right query in this case is tourist attractions in Seattle. So it's going to do the search and then return the results back to the user. Here we go. So it came back with a set of results. So now let's try a different query. So now I'm going to search something that I know will cause Klarna to be used. So we're going to search for find me some Air Jordans. Let's see. So now it should be using the Klarna plugin, which it is. So it's using the Klarna plugin to find matching shoes for me. There we go. So it found something and it's returning the results. So it chose to use Klarna because that was the most appropriate plugin based on my query. Alright, so I'm going to wrap it up here by using a different plugin altogether. And now I'm going to ask it to translate thank you in Spanish. So now it's going to use the speak plugin. And it's asking it to translate thank you. And it came back, muchas gracias. Thanks for watching.